Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Wa alaikum salam wa barakatuh.
Sheikh, I'm aware that we Muslims should obey our ruler when they decide when Ramadan would be. So my question is, if I don't follow the governments because my family and the majority of people, multiple masjids and communities where I live, follow the differing opinions, will my fasting be valid?
No.
Jazakumullahu khairan.
No, it would not be valid. You're obliged in Indonesia to obey the Muslim ruler. Now I know the nicest people, the Qaeda people, the Takfiri people, and even some of the scholars who make a lot of money from keeping their congregation would say, oh no, the president is this, the prime minister is that, and they take them out of the fold of Islam so that nobody would have a compass to the religious matters of importance like this, and they have to come to me. They have to come to this organization. They have to come to that. And they divide the Muslims. While the enemies are clapping, say, Bagos, good work. Keep up the good work. No, this is not right. There are faults with the Muslim rulers. There are sins with our Muslim rulers. But we as Muslims are obliged to obey them. This is what keeps the unity. And this is what most of these deviant sects and cults and youngsters fail to see. No, we don't jump the gun. We don't publicly criticize and look down and label. Some of them just sit there with their cappuccino and say, okay, this Muslim ruler is a kafir. This one is a fasiq. This one is, and they discredit them. And this is what makes chaos in the Muslim world. And we've seen what the Arab Spring resulted in doing in Muslim countries and Muslim nations. So no, ignore your family, ignore these people who discredit what the Muslim government with the Minister of Islamic Affairs is saying. Regardless of what we think of him, we follow, inshallah, this directive and we unite the country accordingly.